All right. That's after party soup. All right. You can cook in advance if you know that you're gonna have party tonight, and make this one in advance so the day after you have power. You're gonna be strong. Lots of vegetable, warm soup, especially in the winter time. Well, this is something like a backyard garden cooking. I can say this quite a bit primitive. The way I see it, some people they don't really like bone marrow. So, but me on this soup, I need it. I would like to share you all the vegetable what I'm gonna use it for you now. It's all something very healthy for you. Here we go. I need some cabbage, split cool. I need some fennel, parsnip, carrots, sweet corn, green beans. I need some leek. I have some, you can, all kind of color of paprika you can use, but this time I use green and yellow paprika. And of course, I need some onions, potatoes, Chinese cabbage. Of course, the important things that make your soup very healthy, you need banana. All right. And then, when you boil your meat, you need bay leaf, of course, peppercorn, and then here we need some block of chicken stock or vegetable stock. It's on your choice, okay? All right. Let's start boiling the meat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to blanch them first so the blood goes away, so I'm going to have clear soup. That's very important. All right? Oh yeah. Let's start cooking. Oh yeah. All right, let's start blanching the meat. It's really important that you have to blanch them. You don't know, during Corona time, you have to blanch your meat. Blanch that, then all the fat goes away. Just try to pour really hot water. Let it soak for a while. You see that? All the white egg are gone. So I would like to do that with meat. Paying attention. During this time, you don't know what's going on. You could use guantes, but play safe. Not too long, just like this. Then you have really a hot boiling water with pepper and bay leaf. Okay, let's start boiling the meat. Let's go. All right. First, the most important things what I'm going to add. Peppercorn. You choose it. You can put 10 or 11. It's your choice. But like I said, it's hangover soup. Spicy, but not too spicy. Then about 3 or 4 bay leaves. Don't put too much. And I'm going to put the onions also. I'm going to start. All right. Like I said, I just blanched the meat. All right, sorry. Here we go. Put on the meat now. Oh yeah. That's it. Let's start one big good soup. Oh yeah. Mea culpa. Oh yeah. Gonna blanch also now the bone marrow, but not too long. Then you have to skim it also. Put all together in the same place, so you can easily take them away. So we're gonna put the lid, and we're gonna skim it. All right, we wait for a while, for about 15 minutes, then we're gonna skim it. And then we try to purify the soup. It's very important. It's a hangover soup. Oh yeah. Alright, you see? The impurity of the juice changed. It's really important that your bone marrow, for about 15 minutes, you have to take it away. Otherwise, they're gonna disappear. I love to suck it up. Bone marrow. Oh yeah. Take it away. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm missing one. Then I start go fishing. Here we go. Let it chill for a while. Here we go. So don't forget, try to all the time skim it. So you see now, because you pour water, you blanch it, so you don't have much skim. So if you have this all creamy stuff, they're gone. So now I'm going to start putting all the important things. This is what I call the magic touch. Of course. This is what I call stock. Alright. You don't have to add so much salt when you put the bouillon. That make your soup better taste, aroma, but that's a vegetable bouillon, alright? Then we're gonna add some salt. Alright. Let it simmer for about at least 1 hour. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, now it's boiling. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the corn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you need more? Filipino food? Of course. Filipino jazzman, boy ka tindig. Oh yeah. Also the potatoes. Alright, let's put the potatoes. Let it simmer for a while. Oh, yeah. Parsnip and fennel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Gonna put the carrots. Oh yeah. Paprika and banana. Oh yeah. Alright. Then we're gonna put, of course, the best part. Bone marrow. Let's put it like this. Nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah. Let it simmer. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, I love it. Here we go again. Let me taste it. Oh yeah, I love it. It's okay. More pepper. A little bit of fish sauce. 1 spoon fish sauce. Oh yeah, alright. Patis. let it simmer. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, let's see it. Oh yeah, it's coming. Let it boil for a while. Of course. Right, we're gonna put all the cabbage. Right. Gonna let it simmer. We're gonna put the leek also. The leek is gonna give good taste. Right. Then we're gonna add the beans also. Right. Let it simmer for a while. Oh yeah. Right. All the beans. Let's go. So we're gonna let it simmer. So I think that's about it. All right. I hope you enjoy it. Hangover soup. All right. This very healthy one. This is what they call a soup from backyard, Bulalo a la Bernie. Hope you enjoy it. Soup of the day with Bernie the Jazzman. Enjoy it. Happy cooking. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Let's start cleaning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. So you have to cook it really simmer. Then we're gonna have the Chinese cabbage, of course. Put it on a border. Of course. Right, we're just gonna simmer it just for a while. Then that's about it, eh? Alright. Okay, the soup is ready. Alright, that's about it. The soup is ready. Okay, that's all soft now. Alright, and then rice is done also. Oh, bunch of rice. Oh yeah. And of course, it's a lime and soy sauce I make and chili. It's very important. And I got some more extra. Okay, of course, don't forget it. A nice cold beer. Okay, once again, I hope you enjoy this, what they call a backyard garden soup that it's easy to make. Boil the meat, put all the vegetables all together, salt and pepper, a little bit of lime, a little bit of fish sauce. There we go, you have hangover soup. So if you know that you got a party tonight, tomorrow make this soup, do it in advance so you will never have hangover again. Hope you enjoy it. It's Bernie the Jazzman, having fun, cooking with a backyard garden, Bulalo, soup of Pampangueños. Hope you enjoy it. Love you all a lot. Mabuhay. All right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you want more? A backyard soup after your hangover? Of course. I'm gonna try to have some, like I said, rice with it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, really good stuff, but you can also put a little bit of citron lime on it. Oh yeah, I wanna try this one also. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you want more? So I hope you enjoyed this kind of recipe that I did for you guys. And of course I will try to taste. Here we go on this bone marrow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But you want more. I hope that you enjoy this kind of cooking that I serve it for you. And you learn something that a backyard garden, it's Christmas, Fiesta, and New Year. If you have some event, family event, if you wanted to share this kind of cooking and have a soup after party, prepare your days in advance. This is what they call bulalo or lutong kapampangan. If you want to find this kind of cooking, you can also find it at the Pat Mami in Ostende with my brother, Bon Fernandez, and also Chef Eunice Fernandez. You can always ask this kind of recipe. You also do this kind of special delicacy, authentic Kapampangan cooking, Filipino style. I hope you enjoy it. This is Brady, the Jazzman. I hope you enjoy it. I love you all a lot. Mabuhay. Happy cooking. Yeah.